Hey, welcome back to Mac and Quiz. What's your favorite fast food of all time? In this challenge, we will rank 50 most famous fast foods in a tier list from favorite to trash. So if you're ready for this delicious challenge, subscribe to the channel and let's get started. First one is cheeseburger. What's your ranking for this classic? Next up, onion rings. I'm going with yummy. What about you? Hot dogs, a classic summer treat. The next one is corn dogs. French fries, classic, but are they a favorite or just yummy? Mozzarella sticks. Pretzel. Burritos. This Mexican food is a game changer. What about fried chicken? Ten, milkshake. Popcorn. Which rank would you pick? Grilled cheese sandwich. Chili cheese fries. Pepperoni pizza, the king of fast food. But can it really reach the favorite level? Chicken sandwich. Egg rolls. At what level you'll place ice cream? Curly fries. Quesadilla. Next is hot wings. Tacos. Twinkies. This is a controversial one. Favorite for the nostalgia or trash? Chicken nuggets. Do you love them or are they just meh? Cupcake. Donuts. Oh, the sugary goodness. Favorite for the sweet tooth or meh if you prefer something savory? Noodles. Poutine, Canadian classic, but I never had. cotton candy, sweet and fluffy, but is it a favorite or just a May treat? Let's rank cheesecake now. Garlic bread. What about pancakes? Chicken tenders. Next up, nachos. Pineapple pizza. Love it or hate it, this is a polarizing food. What's your ranking? Cornbread. Waffle. Pasta. I really love. And about you? French toast. Marshmallows. Mac and quiz. Oops, I said mac and cheese. This cheesy classic is always a crowd pleaser. Waffle fries. Sausage. Baked apple pie. Dumplings. Hash browns, these crispy little beauties. What's your rank for cookies? Cheese curds. Bacon. Brownies. Chicken soup. Thank you for watching and for your company. What fast food do you like that isn't on the list? Tell me in the comments. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fun quizzes.